CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to successfully export video from multiple channels using the AvaEye software. First, you're going to need to click on the Playback option on the control panel or home screen of the software. It's going to open a new tab for the Playback tab. And then to download video from multiple channels at the same time, normally if you were to choose and select a camera on the grid screen, you could really only export files from that one camera. This button down here called Recording Download brings up a neat utility called Recording Download. And this is what will allow you to actually pull video from your cameras from a certain period of time and download all of those files at the same time. Again, if you're only using the grid screen by checking those cameras and pulling up Playback and then downloading the files as shown in our previous video, then you will only be able to download one video file from one camera at one time. This method allows you to pull video from a certain time period from all of the cameras that you would like. So, in order to do that, I first need to select the cameras that I want to get video from. So I'm going to select all of my channels. Then I need to search for a time where I know I have recorded video, or maybe where an event occurred in your case. So I know I have good video from January 20th, so I go down here to this calendar icon. It brings up this calendar. To go between the months and years, I need to use these arrow keys at the top. I'm going to go back to January, and then January 20th. So I'm going to choose that, and then I need to choose an end time. Again, I'm going to go here to the calendar icon, choose January, then January 20th. You can also type in this box. Say I needed something from 2021, I could type 2021 there. However, my recording is from 2022. And then, just for the sake of the example, I could go ahead and export everything from that day. But again, for example, I am just going to pull some data from around 10:30 in the morning. So I'm going to do 10:30 to 10:31. So what this software is going to intelligently do is look at all of these four channels to see if there is video available, and then create a file to download that footage. Again, download speed relates to how fast your computer and internet or your local network speed is. So I am on a fast local network connection and I have a fast PC, so I am able to use the high speed download option. If you are finding difficulty exporting multiple files at the same time, make sure you use the normal speed download option. So I'm going to search that minute period of time. My NVR is going to find those files. And I can see what files it finds by clicking the By File tab option. You can see here I have a 1-minute event recording for the channel 1. On channel 2 I had some VCA recording at this time. And then my 2 warehouse cameras 3 and 4 were set to normal recording. The software is even able to find the recording type for that clip. Now I can choose which ones I'd like to download by selecting them, checking each one that I'd like to download, and then clicking the download button. It's going to say that a recording download task has been created for each different channel. I can either click the view task button here, or go down here to this neat little downloading icon to pull up my task management window that shows that I'm currently downloading one file. I have 2 files waiting in queue, and then it's rapidly downloading these files. After the export has finished, that download icon may change to a clipboard icon. And to get to those files, you can click that clipboard icon and then again navigate to the completed tab. And here we can see the 4 files have been successfully exported. I can either click the play button to automatically open up my computer's media player, or I can open the folder where these files are stored in order to edit them or open them in another media player. So I can click the Open Folder button. It's going to open a Windows Explorer pointed at the recording location. And as I mentioned, you can use a video editing software or a video converting software, or just simply play them in a media player such as VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.